art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a cute Pikachu. So first let's get started with the nose, and we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a small arch line. Now in the middle, we're going to, for the mouth, for the top of the mouth, curve this line out on both sides, starting from the center, arching that across. And then we're going to draw in a nice long arch line, bringing that around and then up. For the tongue, let's curve this over. Let's move across on the left and right hand side and draw in a circle for our eyes. And now in the top left-hand corner of our right eye, we're going to draw in another circle. And then in the top right-hand corner of our left eye, we're going to draw in another circle. Now from here, coming across for the cheek, we're going to curve this around and through. We're going to come up on a diagonal, replicating that, drawing that at the same height on the left. For the cheek on the right-hand side, let's curve this around and down. And then we'll do the same on the left. Now from here on the top, we're going to arch this line up and in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to bring this line around and then down on the right. On both sides, curving this across towards the side of our page. And then from that point, just bringing this back around and then in on the bottom. Now from the top, we're going to curve this back down. Moving in now for the hands, we're going to draw in an arch line, bringing that up on a diagonal on both sides. And then we're going to draw in two diagonal lines for the fingers, bringing that up towards the top. For the side of the body now, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And we're just going to leave a small gap. And then now from here, we're going to close this off with a small curved line, bringing that down. On the left-hand side, let's arch this out, back in. We'll do the same on the right. And then now from here, we're going to draw in two small curved lines. Now let's draw in a zigzag pattern. So we're going to bring this line out and then in on the right. We're going to bring this line across on the top. Again, we're going to draw in a curved line coming down. And then let's continue our zigzag pattern. So we're going to bring another diagonal line coming in. We're going to bring this out, back in, making that smaller. And then again, just one last time. And then closing off the rest of the tail, we're just going to draw in a small zigzag pattern as we come over. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.